So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Follow us on Telegram, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So when you take a look at this gold, you can see that this is a massive bullish move to the upside. And what can you see here? There is a double top literally forming on gold. It means gold is about to drop, but the confirmation will be made on this double top if it goes ahead to break this neck. So there's every possibility we'll be dropping below. So let's go to the daily time frame. So we can clearly see that it has literally dropped. So what I'll be expecting is a little bit of a movement to the upside, then another drop. That is what I am seeing on gold. By the way, it should push up a bit, then another drop. Possibly we'll be getting it this week, right? So if you take a look at this here, you clearly can start something like a support level is here, right? So this is why reason why I say that there's a possibility to push up, because when you take a look at this on this one 4-hour time frame, kind of like a double top is about to form. So if it can form, if it confirms, it will push up. Once it pushes up, then expect another drop. Now, can it go ahead to break this lows? Absolutely yes, it can just drop straight and break this low. But with what I'm seeing, I don't think, but we can, trade what you see and not what you think. So if it pushes up, then expect a drop. And if it continues to drop like that, then no problem. You can go ahead to take a sell on gold, by the way. So that is what we'll be expecting this week on gold.